How to get real-time market data on Tradovate. Now in this very quick video, I'll show you how you can get real-time market data on Tradovate account. Now the very first thing you just want to have to do is of course log in into your live account. Once you successfully log in, you should be able to see a lot of options on your home screen dashboard. All you have to do from there is at the upper right portion of your screen, you should be able to see this option, which will redirect you into your account application settings. Then above those, you should see a lot of options such as accounts, subscriptions, your profile, preferences, and more. Now you want to have to go into subscriptions, and then on the subscriptions tab, you're going to have to subscribe into their real live market data. Now for you to be able to get real-time market data, you just need to subscribe them first. Hit on subscribe, complete your purchase, and you should be able to receive a real-time market data and trade of. And that's it. That's how you get real-time market data on Tradovate.